All right, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome inside the Bobcat booth here at CONEXPO. I'm Andy Garman. Thank you so much for being here for this special announcement and event. It's really a privilege to be here in this scene, in this moment, as we get the chance to unveil the next evolution in the compact equipment and specifically in the loader scene. In the coming minutes, you're going to hear a couple of speakers get up and give a presentation following our press conference. You're going to have the ability to do interviews, and we want you to come up and see this equipment up close, have any of your questions answered, because it's not just about hearing it, it's about seeing it and experiencing it. That's what we're looking forward to here at CONEXPO. So with that aside, it's my privilege to introduce Bobcat North America President Mike Ballweber.
Thank you, Andy, and thank all of you for being here. Nearly 70 years ago, Bobcat created the world's first compact loader, and in doing so, we created an entire industry. Others have followed us into this category we built, but this space has always belonged to Bobcat, because not all loaders are the same, and not all brands lead the same way, and not all machines are built with the operator at the center. Bobcat has never stood still. We listen to our customers. We anticipate the needs of the market, and we stay focused on the realities operators face every single day. One of those realities is this: by 2031, more than 40% of today's construction workforce is going to retire. For decades, our industry has benefited from deeply experienced operators, but that foundation is shifting even as job site demands continue to rise. At Bobcat, we're not waiting for that shift. We're building for it now. New operators need machines that are intuitive and easy to operate. Experienced operators deserve machines that match their skill and their preferences. And everyone needs equipment that helps them become more productive faster. So today is about the future of compact equipment. Job sites are more complex. Expectations are higher, and operators need machines that help them do more with less effort. Some brands will react. Bobcat is leading. And that's why we're here today. Today at CONEXPO 2026, we are unveiling the new evolution of Bobcat loaders. This is not a refresh. This is not just a one-off launch. And it's not just the next in the series of. We are delivering smarter, faster, and a more adaptive generation of loaders built for today's and tomorrow's workforce. These machines get operators up to speed faster. They give experienced operators more control and more choice, and they help every operator maximize their time in the cab. And here's the most important part. Today is just the beginning, because evolution means continuing progress, meaningful improvements available more often to keep our customers ahead of what's next. We believe leadership is earned by redefining the experience. So watch us. Watch us set a new pace. Watch us advance the industry we created. Watch us define the next chapter of compact equipment. To show you how this evolution comes to life, please welcome Brad Claus, our Senior Vice President of Construction Products at Bobcat Company.
Thank you, Mike, and thank you for the perfect setup for exactly why today matters. I'm Brad Claus, head of Bobcat's construction businesses. I've been with Bobcat for 28 years, and I can honestly say I've never been more proud of what Bobcat is delivering than I am right now. Because what we're introducing today came from listening to customers, climbing into the cab, operating alongside them to understand what they need to get more work done. It came from a team that doesn't shy away from challenges. We're a team that runs towards them, solves them, and raises the bar yet again. It's personal to us, it's personal to me. Because helping our customers accomplish more isn't just what we do, it's why we exist. For decades, Bobcat loaders have been fixtures on job sites all around the world. They built roads, shaped our communities, and powered projects from day one to done. So what's changing? The job site is changing. As Mike said, the workforce is changing. And jobs are getting more and more complex. Customers are asking for machines that are more powerful, simpler to operate, and help them get more work done. That's exactly what Loader Evolution delivers. We redefined our entire loader lineup with one simple goal: make it easier for operators to get in the right machine based on how they get work done. We've done that by organizing our lineup into two clear paths. Classic delivers the dependable Bobcat performance, durability, and controllability that customers have trusted for years. Now with simpler package options, practical updates that make choosing the right machine even easier. It's proven, it's familiar, it's dependable, it's classic Bobcat. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Pro. Everything on our Pro loader is designed around the operator and built to elevate the entire experience of being in the machine. It's where Bobcat delivers the biggest leap forward. Our machines adapt to the operator, not the other way around. Let me say that again. The machine adapts to the operator. And the operator feels that difference the moment they're in that seat. Because when the loader cab is basically your office, it's where you spend your entire day, Pro delivers an experience that simply makes everything better. So let's talk about what makes that possible. Pro delivers a modern environment, elevated comfort, preset drive modes similar to what we'd all expect in our automobile, giving operators the ability to choose how the machine responds. And they'll notice the difference immediately. More agility through strategic weight reductions, more control with new drive modes and enhanced software, more comfort with the redesigned cab and touchscreen display, and real performance gains across the board. In our biggest model, we raise the bar even farther. More horsepower, more lift height, allowing operators to break through previous limits. Everything on Pro works together intentionally to help our customers feel more comfortable, more confident, and most importantly, more productive. Pro is where Bobcat elevated the operator experience completely. Now here's where it all comes together. Between Classic and Pro, Bobcat offers the largest compact loader lineup in the industry, giving customers unmatched choice. And two clear paths with easy to understand benefits make it simple to turn that choice into the exact right fit. With our Classic and Pro structure, customers choose their loader based on how they work. If you value simplicity, utility, and controllability you already trust, Classic is exactly your lane. If you want the most operator experience we've ever offered, Pro is ready and waiting for you. And because this is an evolution, not just a one-time release, our strategy allows us to move faster, deliver more improvements more often. This is the foundation for helping operators stay ahead of what's next. This evolution simplifies choice while putting more hands in our operators, and I cannot wait to see what they accomplish because of it. To take a closer look at the details of these loaders, and for our customers, please welcome to the stage Scott Johnson, Senior Director of Construction Products for Bobcat.
Thank you, Brad. I'm glad to be here. This evolution is about simplifying choice, elevating the operator experience, and delivering more capability where it matters most. At the heart of our new Pro lineup is a loader that doesn't just respond to the operator, it adapts to them. And that starts with machine control. We've elevated machine responsiveness and agility with reduced machine weight and updated control software and hardware, tuned to feel just like the classic Bobcat. But as the industry leader, we don't stop there. We're introducing breakthrough drive modes. This isn't just tweaking the drive response. These are actually different drive experiences. Just like your car has a sport or an eco or a comfort mode, we give operators 4 distinct modes: balanced, agile, dynamic, or charged, enabling the machine to adapt to the operator and the job. Drive modes tailor the machine to your preference and to your skill level. No one else delivers this level of control and adaptability. And performance, we don't hold back there. Our Pro T and S86 models deliver game-changing performance. There's a moment that every operator knows. You're loading your dump truck, you're lifting it, you're easing it forward, you're watching the edge of the truck bed, and then you feel it. You're right there, but you just can't get quite high enough. So you've frustrated, you've wasted time. So we didn't just tweak the lift height, we added an entire foot. We're introducing a 12-foot lift height. Now that operator goes from almost to done. And what's reach without power? Our industry-leading cooling capacity enables us to increase to an industry-leading 115 horsepower. So we've talked about control, we've talked about performance. But on today's busy job sites, there's another critical part of the operator experience: awareness. What's around me? Who's around me? With loader evolution, Bobcat is supporting operator awareness by offering more choice through camera or radar systems designed to help operators a better understand their surroundings. So let's start with Bobcat View. Bobcat View offers camera options that provide either a rear view or a rear and side view. So operators have views that stay focused on the job. But we didn't stop there. We're also introducing Bobcat Sense detection systems, which add another layer of job awareness through two unique detection options. First, a rear detection and avoidance. Using radar technology, this system detects objects behind the machine, alerts the operator, automatically slows or even stops the loader. Second, people detection. A camera-based system that identifies and alerts operators to the presence of people behind or around the machine, either on just the rear camera or 360 degrees. The takeaway is simple: awareness matters. And no two job sites or operators are the same. And that's why on the Pro Loaders, Bobcat offers multiple awareness solutions, giving customers the ability to choose the technology that helps them work confidently in tight, busy, demanding environments. So everything we've talked about, control, performance, and awareness, come together in an all-new Bobcat technology designed to elevate the operator experience and simplify machine operation. Introducing Jobsite Companion. Jobsite Companion represents one of the biggest steps forward we've ever taken in how an operator interacts with their machine. It redefines operator efficiency. As the first AI solution in the compact equipment industry, Jobsite Companion empowers operators by making operation easy, simple, and efficient. Mike and Brad both spoke about a critical challenge facing our industry. The experienced workforce that we've relied on is approaching retirement, and a new generation of less experienced operators is entering the field. Jobsite Companion supports new operators, helping them become more productive, faster. So let's take a look at Jobsite Companion in action. So with Jobsite Companion, operators can keep their hands on the controls. Just by pushing a button and asking, an operator can automate over 50 functions on a machine. Optimize the machine settings to the job and attachment that they're using. Get answers to simple machine questions regarding information on service, fault codes, attachment operation, but it doesn't just stop there. Jobsite Companion brings together real job cost insights, tracking a machine cost versus the estimate to measure job profit and efficiency. Put simply, it enables operators to be more profitable. Jobsite Companion is the bridge between operation and optimization. You can only get this solution from Bobcat. You can see it here today, and will be available at Pro Loaders this summer. Everything you heard today is designed to give operators more control, more performance, more awareness, and more confidence. So whether you're grading, trenching, lifting, or finishing, your machine is working with you, learning from you, and adapting to you. This is the Bobcat loader evolution. This is the future of compact equipment. Thank you very much, and I'll hand it back to Brad to close us out.
Thank you, Scott. Everything you've heard today comes back to one single mission: putting operators first and setting a new standard for how work gets done. Whether you've been operating equipment for 20 years or you're stepping in a loader for the very first time, there's a Bobcat loader for you. And it's designed to help you work with more precision, more control, and more importantly, more confidence. For many operators, a loader isn't just a tool, it's their business. It's their livelihood. And when that's the case, every single detail matters. So that's exactly what this loader lineup delivers. We are so incredibly proud to bring forward this evolution of loaders forward today. And I would love for you to experience them right here in the booth with us today. This is Bobcat stepping forward with clarity, with confidence, and with purpose. People will certainly talk, competitors may follow, but when it comes to pushing boundaries and building equipment for the future, Bobcat is here. Watch us. Because today is just the beginning. You can expect more often from Bobcat Company. The new era starts today.
All right. So that's it. That's the announcement. That's the exciting thing that we have in front of us at Bobcat, and we invite our media friends to follow up right now and have the opportunity to get up close and personal with these machines and get a chance to learn more and experience throughout CONEXPO 2026. If you are a media member who is here and has questions, would like more information, back towards the front of the booth, I see Nadine and Randy. They've got their hands up. It's in a crowd. But you're going to walk right back towards the machine under the Raising the Bar back there. They'll be happy to set you up with interviews with our media friends. If you're a content creator, come right over here to the side. Sarah and Karen over here, happy to meet up with you. We're going to make sure you get all of your questions answered here in the Bobcat booth. Thank you so much for being here. Enjoy the show, everybody.